Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. Today's episode of Your Prep for Today is about your skin and what goes on it to protect you. So let's look at what we need to think about as preppers and normal people. When you go to the beach, what do you take with you? Sunscreen or tanning lotion, hats, umbrellas. You want to get a tan usually, but you want to enjoy the water. You don't want to get burnt. So you take some sort of protection. Even if you're like sitting there and you want your legs and stuff to get tanned, your face usually already is. So you wear a big sun hat to protect your face so you're not over tanning your face. And what about when you go camping? All those mosquitoes and chiggers and ticks and all those other fun little buggies out there. You wear some sort of protection against them, something to ward them off. That's all fine and good, but there's some other stuff to consider too. Guys, don't take offense to this. Skin moisturizer. I work with a gentleman named Tyrone. He was always telling the guys, and they came back from vacation, whatever, you can see their skin was, a little burnt. It's like, oh, you guys need to get some skin moisturizer on yourself. Help your skin heal up. He was really correct. It's not just the ladies that need to take care of their skins. Guys, we need to take care of our skins too. Whatever it is you're using for your suntanning or sunscreen or whatever it is to protect you from the sun, or whatever it is you're using to protect yourself from bugs, insects, and stuff, there is a variety of stuff to choose from, and you need to do the research on it. I'm not going to do all the research on it for you. Because if I just do it and I tell you this is it, you're like, I don't believe him. You do the research, you look up the numbers and stuff. Now, one of the things that a lot of people are talking about, especially for bug protection, are essential oils. Peppermint, witch hazel, and a few others. There's a lot out there that helps repel certain bugs, whether it's the mosquitoes, whether it's the ticks, the chiggers, the biting flies, whatever it is. There are things out there you can use that are natural that'll help repel them. And for your skin softening, hey, you don't have to use a lot of these chemicals. Some of the ones that have some really nice natural moisturizers, something to look into. And just popped in my brain just now. Remember the stories of Cleopatra taking her milk baths to make her skin soft and nice? I ain't going to recommend milk baths for everybody, but there are things out there you can use. And I know there are a lot of homesteading channels out there that the ladies talk about the stuff you can use to help moisturize and soften your skin naturally. So ladies, if any of you are out there, guys, if your women, your wives or significant others know about this, have them comment down below so we can spread the information out about some of the more natural stuff you can use. The thing is, you need to start prepping something now to take care of your skin. All right? And as always, stay happy, stay safe, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.